I literally got first spin bonus. Some more money. Alright. Oh yeah, it's 75-cent bet on 1 cent denom. Alright, marshmallow. Hook me up. No? Oh, I need them in the middle. That's what it is. Is that a respin? Yes, it is. Okay. Hook me up, Alexander Graham Bear. Alright. Come on, one more. Okay. It's more than one more. Cool. Keep the respins coming.
I did it.
Nice. Alrighty. Oh, I said that already. 3 spins in. Nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Thank you, Marsha.
Okay, here you go.
Also, marshmallows everywhere. Now I need Alexander Graham Bear and Chuck Olette to help me out here. More marshmallow, okay. Come on.
Crazy.
Nice, okay.
I got you covered.
Alright, Chuck.
Excellent.
Drop 2 in. One more, one more. One more right next to you. Ah, come on, bro. Nice. Keep the respins coming.
This one's for you.
I need Chuck.
Ooh, man.
Yep.
Like there?
Nice. Alright, you drop it to your left. Nice. Okay, that's pretty good. 4. And either one of those. Nice. Nice. Okay, we got 5, right? No, 6. I can't count. Alright. Let's see what this amounts to. Alright, $1.25.
You got him hungry.
Me too, Marsha. Alright, this is where the real money will be made, hopefully. Though on a 75-cent bet. I don't know how much real money there could be. Okay. Okay. Not minis. Not mini. Give me the minor at least. Come on, give me a minor. Come on, bro. Minor. Double minis, alright. Okay, minor. Nice. 48 bucks on a 75-cent bet. And it was first spin, I forgot. It was a first spin bonus. I'm doing very well on Fremont. I'm $50 in at Fremont and I'm at 167, so I'm up 117 bucks. Cool.